Hi guys, welcome to part 4 of client review. So what you do, go to www.kingmusa.co.za/apps, then you log in, put in your username and password, then you log in. When you log in, just go to view student. We're still on that link, and we're gonna view this guy, and we can see this guy is in grade R. So you can see his phone number, student number, everything there. So this guy doesn't have a parent. So what we do, we can look at the fees he paid. It tells us that he's aged 5, is aged 0 because of his age. We can also edit the age here. He was born this year. Let's look at the age. No, we can't edit the age, his age, but it's fine. So okay, we can go back here. What to do, we're gonna add one parent on this child. This child doesn't have a parent, so what you do, you click on add parent, then you find that you type in the parent name. It's gonna be Smith Dlamini. Other names. Okay, then parent type, father, ID, put any ID, cell phone number or 72272, then alternative number, you can put this. Now capturing the information of the child. Work contact, you can put the same number. Address 15 Rose Road, then we say work address 16 Kilani Avenue, Johannesburg. Okay, gender, say male. Then we can put some description. Maybe he say that I will pay fees on the 25 of each month. So this parent, so when we're gonna be looking into his profile, we don't have to send him SMSs before the 25. So we save parent created. So after that, it's gonna take us back. We can go back and check. If we go here, we view and I view this child. Yes, now you can see we have the parent information, Smith Dlamini, phone number, tail number, father, male. That's the thing. So we have all the information of the child is what parent. So guys, don't forget to subscribe, and in case if you want to put an image here, you can edit and find any image, maybe in I would say here, whatever I want. I can't find any image anyway. It's fine, can put that. Yes, then you update. Yeah guys, thanks for watching. This was the end of our tutorial. You can see the image is there. Okay, bye bye.